Salut YouTube, bienvenue sur ce dernier épisode de Batman The Telltale Series. Et après il y aura la saison 2 qui s'appellera Batman The Enemy Within, donc l'ennemi à l'intérieur de toi quoi, paf. On est parti, et on est parti je pense pour 1h30 à peu près, 1h, 2h d'épisode, je crois. On n'avait pas vu de Next Week, donc là vraiment les gens en live découvrent la fin prévue. Alors il faut juste que j'active, j'en profite, évidemment j'oublie à chaque fois, vu que ça marche plus comme avant, faut que je fasse manuellement. Voilà, j'active mon petit audio ducking qui va me permettre, bien sûr, de profiter du fait de pouvoir parler et que le son baisse automatiquement, et ça c'est cool. Voilà. Previously in Batman, Who is John Doe? Voilà, ça va être ça l'idée, mais on verra bien. Voilà donc le dernier épisode qui se surnomme La Ville de Lumière. La bataille pour le contrôle de Gotham redouble d'intensité et atteint son point culminant lorsque Bruce se découvre une nouvelle raison d'être et que Batman est poussé dans ses derniers retranchements dans son combat acharné pour rétablir l'ordre. Voilà donc l'épisode 5 de Batman The Telltale Series. Et après on enchaînera avec la saison 2 la semaine prochaine. C'est parti. Je passe ici, j'enlève la webcam et on est y part.
It's obvious that's why Vicky hates you. Your dad helped bump off her parents.
Why would my father have the Vales killed?
I never said he killed the Vales. She was born in Arkham. Victoria Arkham.
So where you gonna go?
I've got some other business I need to take care of.
What did you do?
I destroyed Lady Arkham's drugs.
With the innocent people.
For a small price to pay.
You don't understand.
Bon, on l'a calmé assez vite, double face, hein.
Help me. Gotham is doomed.
Thank God he was finally stopped. Nice work, Batman.
My job's not done yet. I still need to find Lady Arkham before it's too late.
Bruce, all of your Bat-Tech is linked to this computer. If you take it offline, it will all be...
C'est vrai qu'on avait le choix soit d'aller arrêter Harvey, soit d'aller arrêter le pingouin. Bon bah malheureusement il a le contrôle d'un peu tout quoi. C'est la merde. Monsieur Idan torse-poil et mangef trou béant. Allô? Allô? Ce jeu, voilà, s'adapte aux choix que vous faites, etc., etc. Vous comprenez la suite. C'est la même chose pour tous les autres épisodes, bien sûr. Et donc nous voici à jouer à Batman. On est au taquet. 5 jours plus tard. C'est la merde.
Including Police Commissioner Peter Grogan, who was taken while attempting to intervene. I repeat, the children of Arkham have taken hostages.
Carry on, gents. Boss says it's time to get the Bat's attention.
Je pense que j'aurai le vertige moi aussi, hein.
Batman's sighted, boss.
Right on top.
Petit tour de drone gratuit. Ouais. Paf!
Commissioner, get to safety.
I can't just leave these people.
Ah oui, d'accord. Y'a pas de respect, quoi.
Batman! No! It's a trap!
It's a trap. Ah, c'est la merde, hein. Ah! Un mec qu'on connaît pas est mort. Bon là en vrai un coup de pompe dans le bide.
You have to stop them.
Et Darknetto.
Save our city.
Commissioner! Commissioner!
Non bah là...
He's gone.
Là il va plus répondre au téléphone là. Hein. Oui, sans grappin, ça doit être plus compliqué à monter les trucs. Hein.
Alfred.
Oh, thank God. With the comms offline, I've no idea what's happening out there. I always fear the worst.
Batman version ancienne.
Back to the Batcave. Figure out Penguin's next move. I can't let him
Utilise le téléphone, un flip phone en plus, comme pas comme tout le monde, hein, vraiment à l'ancienne. Mais j'en ai marre d'être surveillé là, bordel de merde.
Batman! Impressive as ever. Life off the grid must be treating you well, huh?
What's your point?
My point is, you're at the end of your rope. You can't even stop me offing a police commissioner. Without your toys, you're nothing.
Non mais voilà, ouais, on est d'accord.
Over to my men. Scouts on them, they'll go easy on you.
Grogan's death is on you. And I'm here to make sure you pay for it.
Oh, Batman, those are just words. Words can never hurt you. Unlike this drone here, which is designed to cause quite a bit of pain. Ta-ta, Batman!
Ah, les drones c'est pire que des Stormtroopers quoi. Allez voilà, ça c'est fait. Ils sont pas très bons à essayer quand même. Hein. Ils pourraient se servir. Ils pourraient quand même plus efficaces hein, parce que là bon. Enquêter sur le drone d'Omagie.
Capable of firing armor-piercing rounds. These could tear the city apart.
J'adore les téléphones à clapet. C'est vrai que c'était cool. C'est pas revenu à la mode à un moment donné. Téléphone à clapet, je suis sûr que c'est revenu à la mode à un moment donné, je crois. Je suis pas sûr. Je sais plus. Possible.
He's made improvements, even deadlier than before. Wayne Tech, in Penguin's hands. It's a dangerous weapon.
Un set dans le téléphone. Paf. Hop, on met le petit câble USB là.
Anything?
J'aimerais bien être pote avec Bruce moi quand même.
Another trap.
One of
It's
his
a
men used
trap.
a device that targeted my armor. If Penguin has more devices like that,
The Batsuit will be a liability.
it's already in bad shape. It couldn't protect me from a knife, let alone Penguin's new arsenal. If Batman can't take the fight to Penguin, maybe Bruce Wayne can.
Face Penguin as Bruce? Without your armor, you'll be more vulnerable.
Il me sous-estimera.
Penguin thinks he knows me, but he has no idea what I'm really capable of.
He certainly doesn't. And that may be his undoing.
Besides, I won't be going alone. Get Gordon on the line. Give him our file.
Tu me restes surtout son compte en banque. Oh, ça va. Je suis pas si fan de l'argent que ça, tu sais. Hein. Franchement.
He should know who really killed Commissioner Grogan, and that the killer will be in Cobblepot Park. Tell him that Bruce
Ça me rend triste, hein.
Lieutenant, these officers are at risk. Penguin is...
Wayne, get back!
Ah, ah, ah! Ah oui, d'accord.
Martinez!
I saw
Ouais, vous savez, j'aime pas l'argent, je préfère que vous soyez là.
hidden behind the statue.
Give us room.
Transmit.
Wayne Tech.
Controlling the drones.
Non, mais le truc qui est drôle, c'est que je suis sûr que tu mets...
God damn it!
à Manjave, tu lui mets Marcus et Bruce Wayne dans la même pièce.
If you can destroy the
Il est là, il est...
Oswald loses control of the drones.
There's no way to get to it. You heard Martinez.
Lieutenant, you need a distraction. I can keep him talking while you get into position.
How the hell are you gonna do that? I don't think listening to the guy who publicly attacked him is at the top of his priority list.
I know exactly how to push Oz's buttons. I'll make him so mad, the only thing he'll see is red.
That's all well and good, but he wants you dead.
Trust me, Lieutenant. I'm your best shot at getting those officers out alive.
This is insane. But I'm all out of options. I'll go in around the back. If he sees me,
he
Marcus et Bruce dans la même salle, je ne réponds plus de rien.
Focused on me. You will get your chance.
keep the perimeter tight. If he suspects anything before those drones are offline, we're both dead.
Je choisis Marcus tous les jours, bah, je peux comprendre.
It's a hell of a trap, Oz.
Ah, la classe.
I hate them, Bruce. I really, really hate them. Making fun because my mum... because she's in Arkham.
Those bullies aren't coming back.
They better not. Oh! They say bad things about my family. I'll smash the dumb faces.
Stop us, please.
I'll smash all the dumb faces.
Et ce petit accent so British, you know?
Get the word out, eh? All the channels. The Penguins got away in Cobblepot Park.
La ville de lumière.
Bruce! Welcome! The pigs are making it hard to bring in the bait for Batman. But now that you're here, I have the perfect lure!
Ça va, bro?
Not that I'm upset, but... what does bring you by? Hmm? Never known a Wayne.
Tu veux discuter?
Good to be true.
I've come to talk, Oz.
It's a bit late in the day for that. Still, I'm chuffed you popped by. Well, so far, only Gotham's finest have bothered to show. They paid for sticking their snouts in where they don't belong. You know, I'm surprised Batman's not already here to save you. He's usually so on top of everything. Maybe I need to cause a few more screams.
Maybe you just aren't important enough. Everyone knows you're only Lady Arkham's...
I'm nobody's lackey, Wayne! Lady Arkham and I are more partners in crime. And Batman will show. He just can't help himself when lives are at stake. And when he arrives, oh ho ho! The lights, the sounds, the blood running into the gutters. Once he's out of the picture, there'll be nothing
Oui, oui,
left
c'était
in
le
our
pingouin. Ils étaient potes quand ils étaient petits. Bruce, c'est le pingouin.
poor Lady Arkham's. She's got some pretty big ideas for the city, and they're about to kick into gear.
I know Lady Arkham's real name. She's Vicky Vale.
Oh, did you figure that out when she stuck you with a needle full of drugs?
Un petit peu. Un petit peu.
Right by all this brouhaha. It wasn't so long ago that you and me met in this very park. Me crawling out of the gutter. You looking down from on high. Take a gander at us now, eh? Night and day. You'd hardly recognize us.
Je t'ai jamais regardé de haut, gros.
Always treated you with respect.
Le pingouin a plusieurs histoires. Ah bah après ça reste Batman, hein, donc évidemment tous les méchants ils ont plusieurs histoires différentes.
I tossed you out of your company.
Évidemment. Le jour où ils garderont les mêmes. Enfin, on va dire qu'ils ont des stories. Ils ont des stories à peu près similaires, mais pour les jeux ou pour les films ou autres, ils peuvent changer, quoi.
Unless this wouldn't be some kind of plan, would it?
Jamais.
You working with the bat?
Tu vois par exemple oh merde, j'ai fait pause. Le pingouin il a un monocle. Bah là par exemple ils l'ont un peu pimpé en faisant en sorte que son monocle ce soit une sorte de lunette télécommandée, tout ça.
I don't need Batman's help.
Mais c'est une référence quoi.
You hear that, Batman? Someone's awfully full of himself. Not that I don't think you can handle yourself.
Le pingouin il a toujours eu une sorte de monocle dans son personnage, bah là du coup ils ont mis une sorte de lunette monocle pour rendre hommage.
Felt like you were working out some issues there, hey Bruce?
You pissed me off, Oz. So you got what was coming to you.
Oh, I'll tell you what's coming to me. Revenge! And it's about bloody time. Your father locked my mum in Arkham Asylum to steal a fortune. He drove my own dad to suicide! The Waynes caused the ruin of my entire bloody family. Enough of this! You trying to get me all shaken up? I'm not waiting any longer. Batman be damned. We're done chatting, old friend. I'm releasing these drones. They'll make mutton out of you and all the lawmen around this park.
Your mother deserved Arkham. You heard me. She
On avait
was
dit pas les
insane,
mères. Hein.
unfit to walk the streets, and you know it.
I'll kill you! I'll kill you, you... Oh, bloody hell!
On avait dit pas les mamans. Mais bon ça a marché pour une fois. Allez! Non, tant pis. Oh merde. Paf!
Bruce! You bastard!
Bon là normalement il est handicapé à vie. Hein.
Oh, you bloody pigs! How's this for an answer?
Is that all you got?
Show some dignity and defeat Oswald.
Freedom is right.
Bon bah il reste plus que Lady Arkham. Je reste de marbre. Ah oui bah là il lui faut plus qu'une civière le pauvre normalement.
I gotta admit, you surprised me. You were right about this one. Gotham owes you a debt.
Tu savais.
GCPD does too. I won't forget it.
You and me both, Lieutenant.
I won't argue there.
You think this changes anything, do ya? Lady Arkham's gonna have your heads served up on a platter.
He has a point. We just took down Lady Arkham's top man. She's not gonna stand for this.
No, she isn't.
I never thought I'd say this, but I hope to God that Batman has.
On a enfin arrêté le pingouin. Oui, ça y est. On n'a plus qu'à attaquer Lady Arkham là. Waouh. Bon, ça va Hysteria? Le plaisir de te voir. Hysteria.
How go the repairs?
Going offline kept Penguin from finding the Batcave. But it also scrambled our system. The Bat computer barely runs, and worse, most of my tech isn't working. It's going to take time to get everything up and running again. If it gets running again. It's going to make tracking down Lady Arkham a hell of a lot harder.
Ah, GG. J'espère que ça a été tes partiels Hysteria.
You've proven that you don't need armor or gadgets to help this city. In the end, Bruce Wayne was the one to...
Le replay, c'est pas la même. Ouais, c'est sûr.
Bruce, these last few weeks, I worry about the toll they've taken on you. Facing off against Harvey and Oswald in a matter of days. Not just the physical toll. Those were men you once trusted, and after finding out what you did about your father, people must seem a great disappointment to you. Always letting you down, even those whom you admire.
Vous ne m'avez jamais déçu.
Not all people. You've never disappointed me, Alfred.
But I have. Everything that happened, I could have stopped it if I'd done something all those years ago. This is my fault.
Mais non, gros.
All of it. I told you I wanted to leave your father's employ. But if only I had the guts to do something instead.
Bah, t'aurais pas été là pour moi maintenant?
She wanted that. Wanted to put an end to his crimes. If I'd helped her, if I'd stopped Thomas, none of these horrors would have occurred. Lady Arkham, Oswald.
I don't blame you for what happened, Alfred. You did the best you could.
Oh, il y a déjà des histoires, je crois, musettes avec ça. Hein. Il y a déjà des spin-offs où c'est Alfred le père finalement, ou des trucs comme ça. Ça existe. Hein.
Thank you, Bruce.
Je me souviendrai plus quoi spécialement, mais ça existe.
But our work isn't done.
Par exemple, c'est sur une autre terre, par exemple. Dans les DC, t'as beaucoup de terres différentes, etc. Donc...
And Lady Arkham.
With both Penguin and Mayor Dent off the board, she's the only remaining.
Je sais plus si c'est la Terre 2 ou Terre 3, mais je crois que t'as Batman, c'est le père de Bruce, et Bruce il est mort par exemple.
With Penguin gone and my CEO access restored, I can finally log into Wayne Enterprises and see exactly what Oswald was doing during his time in charge. If I cross-reference that with all the data we have on Vicky Vale, we might be able to figure out the Children of Arkham's next move.
Ah oui, de ouf. Ouais. Après, t'as des versions du jeu où... Enfin, t'as des versions... je sais que dans Injustice, pour ceux qui connaissent, qui est un comics incroyable, vraiment, c'est l'un de mes comics préférés ever, toute la saga des Injustices, les dieux sont parmi nous, c'est l'histoire où Superman pète un câble, il devient dictateur du monde, et il a certains membres de la Justice League avec lui qui sont dans son sillage, et d'autres qui sont contre lui, dont Batman et d'autres personnes. Et toute l'histoire, elle est énorme. Ça commence par Superman qui pète un câble parce que le Joker a administré du poison à Superman pour qu'il croie que Lois Lane était Doomsday. Et Superman va envoyer Doomsday, du coup, ce qu'il pense être Doomsday dans l'espace. Et il va tuer sa propre femme, donc il va tuer Lois Lane alors qu'elle était enceinte. Donc Superman il pète un câble, il va voir le Joker dans une prison pendant que Batman est en train de l'interroger, et il transperce le cœur du Joker en l'arrachant comme ça, et toute l'histoire commence ici en fait. Et Injustice, que ce soit le jeu, un jeu de combat en plus, moi qui aime pas les jeux de combat, un jeu de combat où toute la saga en comics, c'est formidable. Vraiment, c'est hyper bien. Alors le dessin des fois est bien, des fois est bof, mais c'est hyper intéressant. T'as beaucoup de complicité par exemple entre Arrow et entre Oliver Queen et Harley Quinn, justement. T'as pas mal de trucs qui changent et qui sont intéressants et que j'ai vu nulle part ailleurs en fait. Donc c'est vraiment chouette.
Damn it. I can't access the news.
Je vous conseille Injustice. Si vous savez pas quoi lire, c'est très bien. très très bien.
Damn it. Still offline. I need to get this working again.
Et qu'est-ce que ça va le faire, bébé?
Your administrative access to Wayne Enterprises should have been reinstated by now, along with your title of CEO.
Let's see what Oswald was doing while he sat in my chair.
Mot de passe, j'adore les chauves-souris.
Master Cobblepot's sense of humor hasn't changed much since you were boys.
Can we just see what he was doing?
Tellement original, le love interest femme enceinte qui meurt et fait péter un câble au héros qui devient méchant. Tu trouves ou c'est de l'ironie? Ah oui, non, oui, bah ce qui lui fait péter un câble, oui c'est de l'ironie. Ce qui lui fait péter un câble en soi, effectivement, bon, c'est du vu et revu, mais c'est tout ce qui est intéressant, c'est vraiment le côté... Bon, on l'a déjà vu dans d'autres trucs, hein, mais je trouve que c'est bien fait dans la justice. Mais c'est le côté comment Superman, qui est cet être omniscient, qui est une sorte de dieu pour les humains et qui est une sorte de dieu tout court par rapport à ses pouvoirs, bah comment il est passé d'avant utiliser ces pouvoirs-là pour faire du bien et aider les gens, à passer complètement de l'autre côté et utiliser ces pouvoirs-là pour faire ce qui est considéré par certains comme du bien et d'autres par du mal, pour faire régner une sorte de justice absolue dans toute la planète, quoi. Parce que là, c'est-à-dire qu'en fait, techniquement, il agit comme un dieu dans la justice. C'est-à-dire qu'il va vraiment aller en Afrique, régler tous les problèmes. Il va aller au Japon, il va aller partout, en fait, régler tous les problèmes de tout le monde. Mais en même temps, se positionner comme un être supérieur à tout le monde. Et donc, du coup, dès qu'il se passe un truc qui va pas dans son sens, évidemment, bah... ça tombe, quoi. Donc, et Batman, il supporte pas que ce soit un seul homme qui fasse toute la justice sur toute la Terre, quoi, évidemment. Donc ça pose des problèmes. Et dedans il y a tout le monde, hein. Il y a Ra's al Ghul, il y a Damien Dark. Non, c'est pas Damien Dark, c'est Damien al Ghul, donc Damian Wayne, l'autre Robin, t'as... Enfin t'en as plein, quoi. T'en as plein, t'as Harley Quinn, le Joker, The Flash, t'as toute la Justice League, t'as les Green Lantern... Ah oui, t'as les Green Lantern dedans. T'as comment les Green Lantern voient ça, en fait. Parce que comment les Green Lantern jugent le fait qu'une personne omnisciente comme ça sur Terre contrôle tout, tu vois. Donc t'as tous les trucs avec les Green Lantern, t'as des alliances entre... Enfin, t'as comment Lex Luthor il voit ça aussi. C'est hyper intéressant. Ce serait badass que ce soit la femme enceinte qui casse des bouches, genre super pregnant girl. Alors, t'as aussi un truc intéressant, c'est la relation entre Superman après et Wonder Woman. Elle est bien, je trouve, intéressante, même si, bon, c'est encore... Enfin, vous verrez si vous le lisez, mais moi j'ai bien aimé quand même comment c'était fait. Et Harley Quinn qui essaye de se détacher de l'emprise du Joker, etc. aussi, quoi. Enfin, qui est mort, du coup, vu que je vous l'ai dit, mais comment Harley Quinn a fait pour se détacher de ça, ou rester dans ça, etc. Et il y a encore des autres... Enfin, il y a des trucs de Terre différentes, il y a toute une saison... Enfin, il y a 5 saisons, c'est quand même hyper bien, il y a 5 saisons, et... Enfin, c'est 5 saisons en bouquin, quoi. Et vraiment, je vous conseille de le lire, c'est très chouette. Bref, arrêtons de parler d'injustice, j'adore ça.
How is that any different than the back door into the Wayne network that he uncovered?
It's not... Unless... Hold on.
Et à chaque fois, j'ai envie de le relire en plus. Au secours.
What do we have here? They did more than just look at these schematics. Every building in Gotham with a Wayne Tech security system can be accessed from here and remotely controlled. If Oswald was the brawn, Vicky is the brains.
Sans déconner.
Let's check her file.
M'étonne
She
bien.
may have left clues about what she was using Oswald's access for. Oswald was trying to buy an island.
What on earth for?
Looks like he was using his new legal control of Carmine Falcone's assets and likeness to brand the place. Like it's some kind of tourist attraction.
Uh-huh.
He was going to call it...
Falcone Island. We need to figure out Lady Arkham's next move.
Of course.
Ouais, pourquoi il voulait acheter une île, lui?
Oswald certainly wasn't very frugal with my money.
You have a few yachts to return, it appears.
Ça fait plaisir, Oswald. Bon, en vrai, t'as l'argent de Bruce, je pense que je me fais place aussi.
Oswald was using Wayne money to arm.
Je me fais place pas mal, je pense.
Oswald altered several public records using the Wayne network.
Stocker la drogue, ouais, c'est possible.
All mention of her birth name, Victoria Arkham, is completely gone.
Wait. What's this? He also erased something from Vicky's research at the Gazette.
C'est bien effacé en plus, hein.
What was removed from here, but Wayne Tech leaves a trace.
Genre le mec, il a juste mis un coup de sticker en fait.
One the Batcomputer can decode.
What is it Miss Vale wanted to hide?
Well, no surprise here, Oswald wiped away any trace of his criminal records. His background is completely fabricated.
He was enrolled at Cambridge? Ridiculous.
Calm down, Alfred. I'm sure the board realizes by now that they were fooled.
Paradis stockage. Au lieu de paradis fiscal, c'est... Ah oui, c'est pas bête.
Oswald manipulated my records as well.
It would appear your degree was in sociology?
And my medical records.
There are some, well, colorful diseases.
Annoying, but not hard to fix.
That's better.
Le mec, il tape le... C'est le moment de se taper une barre pour eux, quoi. Y'a rien d'autre, du coup? Allô? Non, y'a rien d'autre. Ok.
Vicky Vale, mid-30s, reporter for the Gotham Gazette. And not in the public record, her true name, Victoria Arkham.
To think she was here, in the manor. She gave nothing away of her true nature then.
Alors, Vicky, les enfants d'Arkham, la gazette de Vicky Vale, Lady Arkham. On va regarder les Lady Arkham déjà.
Vicky embraced this identity to follow through on her twisted crusade.
Her mask inspires fear. Not unlike Batman.
I just need to find her.
Oh, ah ouais, putain, les gars, Est-ce que ce serait pas une trop bonne idée d'acheter un masque de Batman et de le mettre sur une tête de mannequin comme ça, là? Comme pour ce masque-là. En vrai, ce serait pas trop classe? En vrai, avec les pointes et tout, là. C'est bien, en plus, j'ai tellement aucun endroit pour le ranger pour l'instant. Mais ce serait trop cool. Sauf que sur Etsy, ils vendent plein de masques de Batman trop bien, donc... Comme dans le trailer du dernier saut. Pourquoi? J'ai pas vu ça.
The Children of Arkham. Their symbol dates back much farther than their terrorist activity. They formed to get justice for those wronged at Arkham Asylum. But the message fell on deaf ears. Until they found a leader Gotham couldn't ignore.
Ouais.
The Gazette's records of the articles written by Vicky Vale.
Ah, Vicky Vale.
Isn't complete.
You're right. There are notable gaps between entries. But yet, it doesn't seem she ever left the Gazette's employ. So what was she doing in that time?
This record wouldn't be easy to alter. Seeing what Oswald was up to could give us a fresh perspective. Now that we know how Oswald manipulated Vicky's records, the Batcomputer should be able to...
Le Batcomputer!
There. No more holes.
S'il n'y a pas Pingouin, Vicky Vale va devoir se montrer lors des annonces de rebelles. Oui, c'est probable.
She was looking into Arkham patients, reviewing records, checking submissions, prior histories. She was trying to figure out who was actually sick and who was committed because of Hill, Falcone, and my father.
Red qui serait d'ailleurs absent car il souffrait de problèmes mentaux depuis la mort de Luke Harper. J'espère qu'il réussira à lui venir en aide. What the fuck? Bah, il a fait son match à WrestleMania et ça s'est bien passé, mais après, oui, c'est sûr qu'il est plus là pour l'instant. En même temps, tu le mets dans quoi, avec qui et pourquoi? Après, j'ai l'impression que du coup, Alexa Bliss, elle a pris un peu le rôle, mais enfin, qu'Alexa Bliss a pris le rôle du Fiend et tout. Mais ouais, j'espère que. Ouais, je sais pas. Bah, après, ça a fait la même chose à Chris Benoit à l'époque avec Eddie Guerrero, mais bon. Là n'est pas la question. C'est sur Batman, mais bon.
Gotham City Records,
J'espère que ça ira.
information requests, post to conspiracy forums. All to find.
It's a list. Gotham buildings that use Wayne Tech security systems.
It's a list of targets.
City Hall, Arkham Asylum, GCPD headquarters, Gotham First National. It's almost every landmark in the city.
We're onto something. Vicky wants to bypass the security at a Gotham landmark. But without a man inside Wayne Enterprises, she can't unlock that door remotely. She'll have to get her hands dirty. And when she does, we'll find her.
Bruce, you there? It's urgent. One of the Bat prototypes has been stolen.
By Lady Arkham?
Not quite. I'm patching you the feed now.
Qui a volé le truc? Ah!
She stole from you? After we opened our doors to her? After all that you two...
Alfred.
Yeah, I know, Bruce, but... why would she do this? Is she that cold-hearted? Selfish?
Elle a ses raisons.
She must have her reasons.
Well, I'm sure she does.
The device she stole, it's a prototype. It's an electronic skeleton key. With it, you could bypass any security system made by Wayne Tech.
That key is far too dangerous in Miss Kyle's hands, especially with Lady Arkham still at large.
À Hysteria, on a un peu Ken avec elle, et c'est pour ça que Harvey Dent, il est devenu double face. Enfin, on a sauvé du coup Catwoman à la place d'Harvey Dent. Harvey Dent, il s'est pris un truc, il s'est brûlé la gueule, donc il était pas très content. Et après, il a vu qu'en plus, on avait couché avec sa meuf. Donc bon, il a un peu pété un câble. On a beaucoup voulu à Bruce après. Ah, t'as vu le replay?
Damn it. Hey, Bruce. I wasn't expecting you. Thought I'd make it outside the city limits, at least.
If you wanted to see me, you could have just called.
Je me console comme je peux.
The chase is so much more fun.
Ah, c'est gentil de te consoler avec moi.
But I know you're not here for me.
Si ça te permet un peu de penser à autre chose que des partiels, c'est cool.
Blame you for wanting it back. I'm surprised you had a toy like this. No doubt Batman would use it for the good of Gotham, but the less noble options are so much more exciting. Why should I give it back? So much potential.
Ça pourrait tomber entre de mauvaises mains.
Imagine what I'd be able to dig my claws into.
That device is far too dangerous to be out in the world. If Lady Arkham got a hold of it, that blood would be on your hands.
Wow, that's pretty dramatic, Bruce. Catch. You might be exaggerating, but I'd rather not take the chance. Oh, come on. Don't pretend you're not impressed. As long cons go, this one was a beauty. Getting into Wayne Tech's lab took a lot more than cracking a safe. I had to get close to people. Your friend Harvey. Poor guy just wanted to fall in love so bad. After that, it didn't take very long to get my introduction to his BFF. The great Bruce Wayne. Imagine my surprise when the rich playboy turned out to be Batman, Scourge of Gotham.
You talk a good game, but I don't buy it for a second. You're not that shallow.
You really think you know me that well?
I know that whatever this started as, that's not all it means to you now.
The only thing it means is that I'm very good at my job.
Je pense pas qu'elle soit si méchante que ça, genre, ouais, je t'ai utilisé et tout, mais...
Gotham's a house on fire, and I'm not gonna burn with it. If you were smart, you'd get out of here too. This town hates you. Hates your entire family. Just leave it all behind. Do something
Ouais, elle veut qu'on parte avec elle, c'est sûr.
meaningful with those skills of yours. You don't need the money, but think of the fun.
Someday, yeah. Maybe I will be able to leave Gotham. But for now, I am the only one who can save this city.
So humble. It'll be good to put some distance between us. After all, look at what happened to Harvey. It'd only be a matter of time before I crossed one of your lines. Isn't that right? My copy of the Boy Scout Handbook is out of date. I'm bound to break some rule.
Selina, I would never hurt you.
Bruce, that's really sweet. But it brings us to the root of our problem, doesn't it? You're upset that I'm leaving. What'd you think? That one night of sex meant we were going steady?
Oh bah super!
Is that what you really
Je me fais friendzone encore.
Well, maybe it meant nothing to you, but what happened between us meant something to me.
Oh, Bruce. Didn't know you were the sensitive type.
Just stop the show, Selina. Stop pretending nothing matters.
Look, Bruce. I'll admit that what you and I had, it wasn't terrible. But you were just another job. A more intriguing job than I was expecting. But still a job.
Super!
And that job's done. I'm done with you. It's not complicated.
Bon, on sent qu'elle essaie de se persuader quand même. Hein.
Person. I'm certainly no hero, and I don't want to be. I'm a thief. That's all I am. I told you that from the start. I never pretended to be anything else.
Stop. That's not true. I know there's more to you than that. You're just afraid to admit it.
You'd like it if that were true, wouldn't you? Why would you even think that? I've made my feelings pretty clear. Why aren't you listening?
Allez.
Because I love you, Selina.
You barely know me.
Allez, on tente.
Bruce, if that's your idea of love, I feel sorry for you.
Éternel célibataire.
No. You really are just like everyone else. Can't wait to get out of this place.
Goodbye, Selina.
Bon, ça, il reste digne quand même. Il reste digne. Il reste digne. Un minimum. Hein.
Lucius, I've got the key. Hold on, Alfred's on the line. Hey, Alfred,
Bruce! Lady Arkham, she's here. I tried to keep them out, but...
Alfred? Alfred! Alfred!
Ah! Je me suis fait coq-bloc.
Lucius, it's Bruce.
Ou Robin.
Damn it. I'm going to search for clues.
Just tell me how I can help.
Get over here as fast as you can.
Bah, il y a Catwoman, je lui ai dit je t'aime, et elle m'a dit lol, t'es comme les autres, va te faire foutre.
I know.
Et j'ai fait ok. Et bisous Catwoman.
Need to focus.
Elle s'est barrée.
What happened here? What happened to you, Al?
Alors c'est plus qu'une marque d'erreur là. Hein.
A scuff mark. What could have caused this?
La tête de notre cher ami Alfred. Hein.
Furniture scattered outwards from a single point.
Bon, y a pas mal de sang. Hein.
What did they do to you, Alfred? Ash everywhere.
Ils ont brûlé Alfred, les bâtards.
Something big was thrown against this wall.
Il n'existe plus, Alfred.
Or someone. Face was knocked over in the struggle. The fight left nothing untouched.
Hein? Ah, si c'est Alfred, il s'est bien défendu, hein. La queue.
This pool cue was used as a weapon.
Ouais.
Swung so hard it broke in half.
Une grosse queue. Hein.
Blood pattern looks like it came off a high velocity hit.
Ok.
The lock's been completely destroyed. Alfred must have barricaded himself in here. But they got in anyway.
Alfred le saigne.
How the hell?
J'avoue. Comment ça... Un tessonnier en métal. Comment ça s'est allé là? Bon allez, disons que la queue de billard a l'air à voir avec le sang ici.
Alfred used the pool cue as a weapon. Broke it across his attacker's head. When that didn't stop him, he used the jagged end to stab him, spraying blood across the pool table.
Je peux plus l'enlever? Non, c'est bon. Salut Gatry! Comment qu'elle va? On va mettre le tessonnier avec ça? Je suis pas sûr.
Alfred grabbed the fireplace poker to fend off an attacker. But it was knocked away.
Ah ouais, quand même. Vous imaginez la puissance du lancer pour que ce soit comme ça? Ça m'a l'air un peu improbable, mais bon, tranquille, c'est pas grave. Ça va et toi, Gatry? Ça va comment? Comment qu'elle va, la Gatry?
Lady Arkham must have used the concussion blast from her staff to try and stop Alfred. I know what happened. The children of Arkham broke in. Alfred barricaded himself inside the parlor. He had just enough time to grab a pool cue as a weapon before Lady Arkham blasted the doors open. He broke it across one of their heads, then stabbed him to get away. Another assailant tackled Alfred, knocking over the vase. Alfred almost escaped, but then Lady Arkham entered the parlor. Used her staff's concussion blast, scattering all the furniture in her path, throwing him against the wall by the fireplace. So Alfred grabs the nearest thing to use as a weapon to defend himself. But Lady Arkham deflected Alfred's attack, causing the poker to fly across the room and lodge into the wall. More blood on the mantle. He smashed his face into it. Wait. That picture doesn't belong there.
Attends, quoi?
Lady Arkham wanted me to find this. Alfred. The butler did it. Password reckoning. You have no idea.
Ça va être le bordel. Bruce, il va se vénère.
Bruce Wayne, you should be rotting in a padded cell. Now, your butler, the man who raised you like his own son, will suffer in your place. But don't worry, you'll get him back eventually. Peace by bloody peace.
Alfred. My God.
Vicky will pay for this. I'll make sure of that.
Look at what she's doing.
Elle lui met des petites tarchettes dans l'arrière de la tête, là.
Alfred keeps adjusting his glasses. The reflection. He's making sure I see the reflection in his glasses. He knows the Batcomputer can use multiple reflection angles to recreate the room that he's in. And I can view the virtual image using my cowl.
Good thinking, Alfred.
Un masque VR.
Freeze frame on
Le
the
bat
first
masque.
signal
Quel
Alfred
enfer.
gives.
Paint us a picture. Here we go.
Attends, what? Depuis quand Batman il peut faire ça? What the fuck?
Professional grade camera. Probably came from the Gazette's office. Stairs leading up. Cement walls. We're in a basement. Alfred's trying to look at things that might give us a clue to where he's being held. He's wounded.
Tellement.
Must be one of the thugs Alfred fought upstairs.
Okay, looks like we've seen all there is to see in this frame. Let's move on to Alfred's next signal.
You got it.
Ah, c'est genre, avec l'image qu'on voit dans ses lunettes, on peut voir... avec la réflexion qu'on voit dans ses lunettes, on peut genre voir ce que lui voit, quoi.
Plumbing. A service company for the water heater. I can use their records to find home addresses for their clients.
We're getting closer.
Yeah, but we're not there yet.
Ok.
Doesn't seem to be anything else here.
Let's keep looking.
Nothing else to see here.
Moving on.
Lady Arkham. Keep searching. A Mason stamp.
Only one Masonic lodge in the city. Gotham City Fraternal Order of St.
Tout va bien. Voilà, hein, ils sont gentils, hein, peut-être. Allô?
Jump to Alfred's next signal.
You got it.
A basement window.
What's that outside?
Give me a second. They're by a bus stop.
There we go.
Okay, I think we have enough to pinpoint a location.
Yeah, let's hope.
Désactiver les filtres pour appliquer le filtre. Ok, donc on a vu arrêt de bus.
Get the bus line from this, but no stop number. This will help pinpoint the neighborhood.
Et sous-sol.
Okay, filtering for all homes built on that date.
Faut tout que je mette, quoi.
Serviced by this water heater company on the days and months listed. Bowling alley. Damn it. Let's keep looking. You are not going to believe this.
What is it?
Lady Arkham is back at the Vale House, where she killed her foster parents. According to its records, it has a basement. We know where Alfred is, but I'm without a working batsuit.
Actually.
Oh, le nouveau costume!
One of the early prototypes.
It has basic cowl functionality, but outside of that, it doesn't protect much more than your identity, I'm afraid.
On dirait un peu celui de Justice League.
Good call. Thank you, Lucius.
It doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but it should still scare the crap out of criminals. This ends tonight.
Ah, on dirait plus celui de Justice League, justement. Oh là là.
Heading into the basement.
Je devrais le dire plus fort. Mais bon, il est de ouf, moi aussi, Musette. Ah, j'ai failli perdre une couille là.
I'm all right.
Après, Musette, ouais. Bah dans ce cas, tu prends un costume de Batwoman.
There's no one here. No Alfred. Damn it! There's blood on the walls. I'm going to see what I can find. Standing by.
Ouais, tu prends un petit costume de Batwoman. Moi, je prends un costume de Batman avec le masque. Si on fait des photos cosplay.
The blood hasn't congealed yet. Means we can't be.
Faut le lécher. Allô?
This is where they had Alfred.
Where they beat him.
Après, je suis pas sûr que ça m'aille aussi bien, hein, le costume de Batman. Hein. En remarque, je pourrais faire aussi tanker. Ouais, le costume de Chippo me va pas trop mal non plus. Donc bon, à voir.
There's a boot print in the blood. Lady Arkham's soldiers dragged him. The trail stops at the wall. Actually, it goes under it.
Sounds like there's more to this basement than it would appear.
Taking a closer look. The wall is just a facade.
Why would the Vales have a false wall in their basement?
La fameuse. J'en ai rien à foutre.
Let's find out what the Vales were hiding.
C'est bon, j'ai pas le temps de taper, j'ai pas le temps de sonner moi.
There's a small room with a hole in the floor.
Ah, il y a un trou.
A rope ladder.
Anyone down there would be trapped.
Alfred!
I'm going inside.
Bruce, what's down there? Do you see Alfred?
No. It's some kind of torture chamber. Shackles, belts, blood.
What?
Vicky. She was kept down here, locked away.
Who could do that to their child?
I'm beginning to understand.
What is there to understand? To willfully hurt a child?
No wonder Vicky is consumed with hate. It's all she's ever known.
I can't even imagine, but it doesn't give her the right to take it out on others.
The Vale's foster children may not have been the only ones to suffer here. I followed Alfred's blood into this hole. If he had any opportunity at all, he would have left me a clue.
Sympa.
Bloody scratches, fingernails. Someone tried to climb out.
Alfred?
No. A belt. It's caked in blood. This blood is fresher than the rest. Must be Alfred's.
C'était sympa les parents. Hein?
Shackles. Blood on them. Old. And new. Vicky did to Alfred what was done to her.
T'as vu Musef? C'est ouf, hein? Sympa la poupée.
Vicky created her here, in this room. This is where Vicky Vale became Lady Arkham. Alfred's glasses.
Bravo Manjave pour le level up.
There are drawings. Vicky must have drawn them when she was a prisoner. The chalk here is different, newer. One piece apart from the others. Red. The same color as my tech. Can't be a coincidence. Maybe... words. They're highlighted. Taking me. Those towers. That must be Arkham Asylum. Alfred left me another clue.
This is what he wanted me to find.
Heureusement que c'est dessiné, hein. S'il aurait dessiné une boulangerie ou un truc comme ça aurait pas été la même, hein.
Taking me.
C'est béni ça.
Used Vicky's own drawing of Arkham for the location.
Arkham? But people would know. The staff would see them.
Ouais, ça dépend, hein.
Arkham. She's been using Wayne Enterprises to get access to the buildings with Wayne Tech security
Ça dépend, hein. Et du coup, vous vous souvenez, au début du jeu, on pouvait choisir la couleur de notre technologie, donc j'imagine que ça avait rapport avec la couleur de la craie et tout, là, après. Je pense.
I'm on it.
Lady Arkham won't be expecting us. We'll catch her by surprise.
À part s'il y avait une caméra là-dedans. On ne sait plus. Appartement de Selina. Non, ça c'est Arkham City. Si elle habite ici, j'y vais jamais. Hein. Dieu bénisse. Hein. Est-ce qu'on va revoir John Doe?
That's the last of it then.
The children of
Alors, elle a une baraque chelou, ouais.
Lieutenant Gordon says the GCPD are on their way. He's leading the team himself. If you can find Alfred, maybe you can get him out of there before all hell breaks loose.
Almost ready. Let her know.
Copy. On our way.
On va revoir John Duff. Quel enfer.
I got this.
Bonsoir.
This ends now, Vicky. Tell me where Alfred Pennyworth is.
The butler. Bruce Wayne has a bat on his payroll.
Answer the question.
Where he is doesn't matter. He'll be dead soon.
Genre, elle a toujours pas compris que c'était moi, Bruce.
Killing him won't solve anything.
But it will teach Bruce Wayne a lesson. One he and all of Gotham will learn. They won't look the other way. Not again.
And when did Gotham look away from you, Vicky?
Don't try to psychoanalyze me, Batman. You have no idea what I've done to come this far. Too much to turn back now.
I've been to your home. I've seen where the Veils kept you. People like them, they deserve to be behind bars.
Behind bars? They deserved and got far worse than that.
Even if they did, no one else needs to die.
You're wrong! Your time's run out.
Ah, j'ai pas le temps.
Vicky! There's nothing you can do, Batman. You underestimate the true children of Arkham. These souls kept behind bars. Open the doors!
Ah!
Arkham! Listen to me! Freedom is yours!
Bienvenue dans Arkham Asylum, le jeu.
Standing in your way is Batman.
Batman. He stuck me in here! Me too. Let me at him. He's the crazy one.
Allez! Ça c'est mon gars sûr, ça. On joue à Fall Guys là.
Batman! The entire security system's offline. Every inmate's loose.
The leader of the Children of Arkham, did you see her?
They went.
Il a même pas eu le temps de parler, le pauvre.
You're not getting away, Vicky.
Bon, lui, on va le mettre là-dedans. Dans le lustre, on va lui mettre sa gueule dans le lustre, sa gueule dans le lustre. Ah non, c'est l'inverse, ok. Lui, dans le feu directement, à la cuisine. Sa place, c'est à la cuisine. Et lui, on va mettre la gueule dans la porte. Enfin, les Arkham, on va la mettre à table. Merde, non, j'ai pas le temps, j'ai pas le temps, j'ai pas le temps. Je suis en train de m'essuyer un peu les yeux. Ça me gratte. Allez! Bazaz!
That's the plan.
Allez!
You're going to die.
Truly inspiring. Such a pleasure to see your work in person.
Jesus.
Gordon's here.
We'll round up the rest of the inmates. You stop Lady Arkham.
John Doe, il était là, John Doe. Voyons, Salomon.
There's no way out now.
There's always another way here, Batman. All the people that Thomas Wayne condemned to this place.
Salomon, il était occupé à bouger la porte, lui.
They speak through the walls. Their ghosts walk. They know the way.
I can't help those
C'est
people.
devenu un Jedi, le truc.
But I can help Alfred Pennyworth. Take me to him.
My pleasure.
Je veux son sceptre. Pourquoi faire?
Vicky! You're not well, Vicky. You need professional help.
Les travaux? Ah, d'accord.
Dressed as a bat.
Let him go!
The butler has to die. Payment for Thomas Wayne's sins. He took away my family, so I'll take away his sons. If you really want to save the butler, bring me Bruce Wayne. If anyone can find him, it's you. He's probably cowering behind a 12-inch thick wall and 100 bodyguards right now.
Why should I trust you'll keep your word?
Because my mask is off now, Batman. I won't lie. You're doing so much for one old man. isn't a game to me. You know, Batman, I really don't understand. Why are you fighting me? I've done great things for Gotham. Falcone and Hill deserved to die. If anything, I did you a favor. We're fighting the same fight, Batman. Can't you see that?
Y a un autre moyen?
Those men deserved their day in court, just like everyone else.
So they could have gotten off like they did so many times before?
T'as vu là comment mon œil il brûle là?
They got exactly what they deserved. My justice.
Truc ultra intéressant dans le dernier moment final d'un jeu à suspense.
You shouldn't be here. You shouldn't be defending him. You think Bruce Wayne is any better? Behind his status and wealth. He's a coward. Blaming other men.
Ça peut vite mal finir.
I'm curious, Batman. I know why I wear the mask.
Ouais.
It's who I am. Who I was always meant to be. What about you? Do you wear the mask to hide? Or to become who you really are? Are you the man? Or the mask?
Je suis Batman.
Batman is who I am, who I need to be.
Je suis Batman.
Must be done.
If that's what you believe, you're lying to yourself. You wear the mask so that you can't be held accountable. And once you're dead, I'm going to mount that mask on my wall. But first, I'll see the man beneath.
Viens là! Wow! Ah oui, il est en bon état.
Hold on, Alfred.
You came for me. After what you said, I knew you'd come.
Bien sûr.
Man, I made you.
Just hold on, Alfred. Did you
Ouais, pas le temps de parler de tout ça là.
She just disappeared.
I'm getting you out of here.
Above you.
Attends, frère. Je suis mes lunettes.
Interesting how you speak to him. So familiar. Alfred. Such concern for someone you've never met before.
It's called compassion, Vicky. Something you seem to know very little about.
Sounds like deflection to me. There's more here than you're telling. It makes me wonder, do you really care? Only one way to find out.
Oh. Batman, don't you...
Shut up, old man! You've seen my true self. Your turn. Prove that you care. Take off your mask. Let me see the man you really
are. Vas-y, sus.
What it will take to save him.
No!
Sus.
No, Bruce.
This must be some kind of trick. Bruce Wayne, he'd never be the man Batman is. He only looks out for himself. Oh, but of course. Now I understand. As Batman, you can prey upon the weak, the defenseless.
Ça, elle trouve tout. On dirait une personne du Rassemblement National, elle trouve toujours un moyen de retourner tout à son avantage.
Stop blaming other people for your problems. You aren't the only one that suffered.
You really think you can preach to me? You? Of all people? Enough!
Oh! C'est le combat final. Marine Vale, n'est-ce pas? Bonjour, je suis Marine Vale. Ah putain, j'ai perdu un bout d'oreille quoi.
No more talk. The only truth left is in your death.
Paf, bouffe ma pierre.
I'll bury you.
Concentration ultime.
Stop, Vicky. It's over.
Nothing will keep me from my revenge.
En même temps, je comprends son point de vue, hein, mais bon.
You belong in this place, Bruce. Lost, forgotten, buried. And Gotham will not mourn. The sins of the Wayne bloodline end here.
Bon, l'image elle est trop classe quand même. Désolé, mais l'image elle est trop classe quand même. Y a pas à chier.
I see your true face. I'll never trust you.
Ce symbole de l'ange déchu d'Arkham, l'ange qui perd ses ailes, ouais, de ouf. C'était vraiment classe.
As to last week's events at Arkham Asylum,
Après les événements à Arkham, dans l'asile d'Arkham, les gens du GCPD nous ont dit que tous les inmates ont été contenus dans leurs cellules, etc. Et Miss Vale a disparu et est présumée mort. Après une bataille forte et dure. Sa mort met une fin aux enfants d'Arkham.
It's better that they don't.
Any word from Miss Kyle?
And I don't expect I'll be hearing from her anytime soon.
With everything that's been going on, I haven't gotten a chance to thank you for what you did, sacrificing your identity for my safety. But it was a dangerous thing to do. You could lose everything. The secrecy you've worked so hard to maintain. Gone.
I needed to make her talk, and I thought she would talk to Bruce Wayne.
A good strategy. It was Bruce she wanted all along. And your ear? At least there's something left of it.
Dr. Tompkins assured me it adds character.
Sympa cette fin. Hein.
That it does.
Et attends, la saison 2, je vais découvrir entièrement avec vous, les gars. Saison 2, j'ai trop hâte parce que je l'ai jamais pris le temps de la faire et je vais totalement tout découvrir avec vous sur la saison 2. Donc autant vous dire que je vais être au taquet.
You should be proud.
Lady Arkham, Penguin.
Donc quand même, dans la première saison, on a eu le Pingouin, Harvey Dent, on a eu Lady Arkham, donc bon. J'ai hâte de voir ce qu'on aura dans la deuxième.
In the meantime, let us hope for some peace. To peace.
The damage done by the children of Arkham has left Gotham a city in turmoil.
Le Joker, ouais, possible. Bah là, on a eu John Doe, donc peut-être le Joker. On aura, à mon avis, Harley Quinn s'il y a le Joker. Après le reste, je sais pas.
And I hope, despite the recent terror that's gripped our city, that Gotham's leading citizens will come out to show their support.
Will his token appointment be enough to regain the city's trust? It remains to be seen. But experts agree that
Gordon requested Gotham's leaders to stand behind him. Leaders like you. Let Gotham see who Bruce Wayne truly is, and let them know what you plan to do for his future.
Well, this could be a fresh start.
For you, and for this city.
Ouais, de ouf, Hysteria.
In Gotham, the only figure that can make as much impact as a Wayne
is Batman.
You've helped this city tremendously, both as Bruce Wayne and Batman. And that person, whether he dons a cape or not, is someone I'm proud of and honored to call my friend.
Thank you, Alfred.
So, what do you intend to do about tonight?
Well, Lucius has yet to invent a suit that'll let Bruce Wayne and Batman be in the same place at once.
Papa est fier.
That is unfortunate. I suppose you must decide whose appearance will be more.
Vous voulez qu'on y aille comment, en Batman ou en Bruce?
You can help repair the damage done to your name.
En Bruce, on peut se redorer une image et faire en sorte que les gens nous voient mieux comparé à tout ce qui s'est passé. Et Batman, ce serait le symbole.
These dark times, that is truly what Gotham needs the most. Perhaps one is truly the mask.
Bruce.
And one is who you truly believe.
Batman n'en a pas besoin, c'est vrai. Ça, je pense que vous avez raison. Batman. On a quand même, ouais, on va y aller en Bruce. C'est ça. Genre, je pense aussi que Batman, il peut tout supporter. Il a pas besoin d'avoir une belle image Batman spécialement. Bruce, ouais.
Commissioner Gordon. He is here.
Commissioner Gordon. It doesn't sound right.
Don't worry. It will. Thank you for having me, Commissioner.
What happened to your ear? It looks painful.
Cut myself shaving?
What'd you use, a chainsaw?
Un gros trou, hein.
Well, to be honest, I was surprised to get your call. Now, after that nasty business at your manor, I know Harvey was a good friend of yours. A loss like that, I wouldn't blame you for lying low. What you did is no secret. These people all saw there's more to Bruce Wayne than just the playboy. Public opinion is bound to swing around. Before long, you'll be Gotham's golden boy again.
It's time I owned my family's past. Take responsibility for what my father did, so we can all move forward.
That can't be easy. But I'm glad that you're here.
Ouais, tranquille.
I was half hoping Batman might show up too.
Alors, faut t'attends 2 secondes, faut juste que je fasse un petit
Not to mention,
un petit détour.
he makes one hell of an impression on people.
So, does this mean you trust the Batman?
To play by my rules? No. But to fight for this city? Hell yes.
They're ready for you, Commissioner.
During times like these, it can feel impossible to hold on to hope. But I have hope. Hope that together we can rebuild what was lost. Now, in the last few weeks, as much violence and terror as I've seen, I've also seen the citizens of this community band together to fight those threats. And one of those people is Bruce Wayne.
Salut. Merci à tous, j'espère que vous avez apprécié vraiment cette saison là, c'était cool. Bon, Lady Arkham m'a cassé les couilles, hein, faut le dire, mais j'ai réussi à m'en sortir avec une oreille en moins. Ah pardon, non, c'était Batman. Excuse.
Some of those losses came at the hands of my own father, or at least as a result of his actions. I would like to take this opportunity to apologize. To tell you how sorry I am for the pain the Wayne family has caused this community. If my recent incident with Harvey Dent has shown me anything, it's that I can no longer sit on the sidelines. My family's wealth was built on the suffering of others.
Ouais, bah ça c'est comme tout, gros. Hein. Dès que t'es riche, forcément tu prends aux pauvres un petit peu. Hein.
I plan to use my resources to improve the city and make the lives of its citizens better.
Être riche, c'est être riche sur le dos d'un pauvre en général, ou de plusieurs, hein, surtout.
I am ceasing construction on the Wayne Mental Health Facility. Instead, I'll be devoting all my resources to improving the existing Arkham Asylum.
Alors en fait, son père, il travaille avec Falcon. Ça, on le sait au début du jeu. Son père bossait avec Falcon pour... Qu'est-ce qu'il fait, lui?
In keeping with the vision of its founders.
Ah d'accord. Je m'en souvenais plus de ça.
Clear the area. Get that bastard to lock up.
Just minutes ago, Bruce Wayne delivered a rousing speech that turned into a shocking assassination attempt on his life.
He sure does clean up well. See you soon, Brucey.
Ah! Vous avez réussi à distraire le pingouin, vous, et 76,9% des gens ont réussi à distraire le pingouin. On peut louper. Avez-vous reproché à Alfred son implication dans les affaires de Thomas Wayne? Bien sûr que non, on a rassuré Alfred et on lui a dit que c'était pas de sa faute. Quelle a été votre réaction? Vous avez considéré que Selina n'était plus qu'une simple voleuse. Avez-vous retiré votre masque? Vous et 73% des gens ont retiré votre masque. Avez-vous assisté au discours avec Gordon en tant que Bruce ou Batman en tant que Bruce Wayne? T'as vu ce pré-shot? T'as vu comment ça pré-shot? Incroyable, hein? Petit compte rendu de la saison, qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Alors, on a été... En Batman, on a été plein de compassion dans un monde dangereux de Gotham. Il faut vraiment être une personne exceptionnelle pour se garder de tout cynisme et se souvenir que cette croisade a pour but d'aider les gens. On a été à 52% brutal, on a été plus brutal que Clément. On a été honnête et collaboratif. C'est beau. C'est beau. Wow. Bah écoutez, nous on continue le live. Mais je coupe la vidéo pour YouTube ici. Des bisous YouTube. C'était tout pour Batman. On se retrouve très bientôt pour la saison 2 de Batman. The Enemy Within. Bisous YouTube. N'hésite pas évidemment à rejoindre la chaîne Twitch, twitch.tv/MonsieurIdan. N'hésite pas à venir faire des bisous sur le chat. Tu verras, on se sent bien ensemble. Qu'est-ce qu'on discute, puis on s'aime. Le chat, il est beau. Et des bisous Batman. Des bisous.